Welcome to the MLM Communicator demo video. Communicator is a free mobile application members of any of our MLM software clients can install on their mobile device, available in both iTunes and Android. Once our MLM software clients have their members install it, our clients can now communicate directly to the phones of their members by push notifications. Members can also communicate with their downlines by push notifications. The app even lets them log into their members' back office through the app, giving them a mobile experience. Rather than relying solely on unreliable MLM email updates and newsletters, which for large clients could take hours to be delivered and resulted in extremely low deliverability rates due to spam filters, our MLM software clients can now send push notifications in addition to emails, and the push notifications arrive almost instantly. Push notifications are much cheaper than sending an SMS or text blast. You can never get in trouble for content, which, as you likely know, is a major issue with MLM content and normal SMS and texting platforms, even when your members have opted in. They are also so much more functional and information-rich, as you will see further in this demo. With our push notification service able to send up to 1 million push notifications a minute, you could even notify your entire member base of a change in conference call dial-in number within a single minute, direct to their phones in real time. Let's take a look at how it works from admin needing to send out an email and push notification blast to all their members. From within admin, you simply go down to the email engine. We will load an existing template called push notification. We simply select it from the list. You could also create a new template to send. You can see we have the option to add in a reference name, a subject, and the content of the push notification or email that we wish to send. We can also enable or disable this particular email or push notification from being used. Now, as we scroll down to the bottom, we get all of the options for how we want to send out this push notification or email. As we will be doing this test to only one person, we will put the email of the user in the Send Only to box and check the Create Note in Members Lounge and Send Out to the Communicator app checkboxes. This will allow us to show you another communication feature we have, which is to post any blast into the Members Lounge as well as have it sent out by email. As we click Send Mail, you can see we get a warning of how many recipients will get this push notification and how many credits this is going to cost you, as well as how many email recipients will get it. When we click OK, it'll be sent. Okay, now that we've sent the message, let's take a look at what all has gone on. First, the mobile phone. You can see we have a push notification waiting. When we open it up, we can see a list of all the push notifications we've received so far. If we click on the one at the top of the list, we can also see the content, including the whole message and picture we had sent. Imagine your newsletter going out to all your members' mobile device in real time and displayed nicely mobile responsive on their devices. Let's take a look at what else there is here in the Communicator app. Click on the menu link at the top left. You can see we can manage our settings, buy Communicator credits, go back to our message listing, send a push notification to our downline within the application, log in directly to our Members Lounge, and sync to see if any new notifications are on the list, and finally log out. Let's start with Manage. Here we can see a list of how many credits we have, how many total messages we've received, and how many distributors and customers in our downline have downloaded the Communicator app, which lets us know how many credits it will take to do a blast to them. If we click the Notifications button, we can set which notifications from head office we wish to receive. Corporate blast sent to everyone, and corporate individual communications sent only to me. If we click the Buy Communicator Credits link, you can purchase credits to allow you to send a push notification to your downline. You can purchase as few as 20 credits for $1.19 or as high a quantity as 2,500 Communicator credits for $45.99. For amounts higher than that, your members can talk to you, as you can purchase in an even bigger bulk quantity and resell them to people with large downlines in order to help keep their costs down if they're legitimately using the system. Back to the menu. You can also buy Communicator credits from the menu, which will bring up the same screens we just looked at. Messages will just take us to a list of all our messages received to date. Okay, going back to the menu, let's click Downline Send. Here is where you send a push notification to your team. You can select customers, distributors, or both. It also lets you see how many credits it takes and shows you a count of how many in your team that have Communicator installed on their phones will get your push notification. You simply type your subject and message, select who you want it to go to, and hit Send. Now let's click the Members Lounge from the menu. You can see they are now seeing the Members Lounge from within the application. It is mobile responsive, so it works and feels more like a mobile app than a mobile website. The advantage of using this technology is no matter what you corporate add or change to your members' lounge, it'll be reflected in the app immediately. This lowers your maintenance costs over a native mobile app, which would need to be updated and republished with each change you make to your members area. Here we can take a look at the genealogy report so you can see how a large wide reports adapts to mobile view so it's easy to use from a mobile device. Clicking Done at the bottom left takes you back to the main Communicator app menu. Last on the list, there's a Sync button to recheck if any push notifications have come in that you haven't seen, and then the Logout button. The great part about the app for your members is once logged in, it is a persistent login to their members lounge, meaning they don't need to enter their username and password from in the app to access their members lounge or back office once initially logged in. We can also customize this app so it has your name and branding and is submitted to iTunes and Android with your company name. Here's an example of how a custom version for one of our clients in iTunes look. Talk to sales at INS for more details. Now let's go back to the normal computer web browser and take a look at the message left in the members lounge for the member to see upon next login. So here we are logged into a system. You will see we are challenged to read the message we were sent before we can do anything else in our members area. When we click to view the message, we can see its content. We simply click the I have read message button to make it go away. The system will log the IP address the member was on when they read it and the date and time. So this gives positive communication and a record they have read the important update, which helps your support people when someone calls in complaining they didn't know information they had already acknowledged they had read. Thank you for taking the time to see how MLM Communicator can impact your MLM company and increase the speed of your communications.